guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. And for today's video is mag-open parcel tayo ng Kinang Essential Skin. So, naka-bubble wrap pa siya guys. Nakabalot pa siya ng cellophane ng GNT. So, i-open natin. And guys, dalawang nakabubble wrap pa. Balot na balot talaga siya guys. Safe na safe kung mag-order kayo sa shop nila, sa TikTok shop. Kung gusto niyo mag-order guys, ilalagay ko lang link dyan sa comment section. So comment lang kayo guys. So ganyan guys. Wait lang guys ha. Malapit na guys. Ang unang product is yung toner. Yan guys. Nahirapan pa akong i-alis yung toner sa naka-bubble wrap. Next is yung sabon nila. Yung soap nila na milk. Lotion. May lotion ka na guys. Next is ayan, sunblock. Next product, sunblock. Yan guys. Yan yung toner guys. Ay, toner. Yung ang tawag nun, serum. Serum pala yun guys. Sorry. Serum pala yun guys. Yan. Yung binuksan ko is toner yan. So yan lang guys. Yan lahat guys, yung nasa parcel. Yan, mayroong toner, may sunblock. Yan, sunblock siya yan guys. Then lotion. Then serum na Kinang. Then sabon na milk. So ang bango niyan guys, promise. Bili na. Bye.